All right, last one.
Burger King unveils 3 new celebrity meals, curated Keep It Real meals. I'm here for the Keep It Real. Yeah, I saw the one TikTok, Lil Huddy. Is that his? The Chase Hudson?
Yes.
I don't know the other people.
So there's Nelly. You know Nelly.
Oh, I know Nelly. I didn't know his name was Cornell Haynes Jr.
Oh.
Okay, so we got a Nelly meal. We have a Larissa Machado meal. Anita? Who is she? Is she a singer?
Not too sure.
And then
influencer.
Chase Hudson meal, which is a Lil Huddy. Okay, let's read the meals and we'll pick. Okay. We got to pick the best meal. So Nelly's got a flame grilled Whopper topped with cheese, lettuce, tomatoes, onions, mayo, and ketchup, plus small fries and a small Sprite. Why does he have to get the small fries and why?
He's watching his weight.
Why is a drink small?
He's a runner like me.
No, I don't really understand. It's a Keep It Real meal. Like, okay. Anyway. Larissa Machado meal is an Impossible Whopper, so she's a vegetarian, I guess. Lettuce, tomato, pickles, ketchup, mustard, small fries, small Sprite. Always small fries. Small Sprite. And then Lil Huddy, the Chase Hudson meal, is a hand-breaded, spicy chicken with cheese, a 4-piece order of mozzarella sticks, and a 16-ounce chocolate shake. Oh, so you get a lot of things there.
Yeah.
But you don't get fries.
No.
Interestingly, these are $6 on the BK app or online at bk.com. Starting Sunday, September 12th, Royal Perks members can get this. So is this some sort of like virtual play? Can you get it in the actual store or you have to order it? Oh, and also at participating Burger King locations nationwide while supplies last. All right, if I got to pick, I'm just going to take Nelly's meal out of those.
You like Nelly's?
I'm just going to take the Whopper.
It's very classic.
Very plain.
Yeah.
Because, I don't know, the chicken one I'm very unsure of.
Why?
I look at it. What's even going on?
That looks delicious.
Does it?
Yeah.
I don't know what's going on with that sandwich.
Oh.
It's too... I'm guessing in real life it doesn't quite... It's a weird combination of things, too. Like, here's the thing. I don't really feel like I need to have cheese on my chicken sandwich. Like, I don't know if those ones go together.
Right.
Like, I like pickles on my chicken sandwich is good. That's fine.
You're angering a lot of Koreans here.
They like cheese on their chicken sandwich?
They're fried chicken. Yeah.
Yes,
they just dip it in, like, the cheese. The melted cheese. Tasty Hoon. Remember that?
Yeah,
guy?
I saw it, but he didn't. His melted cheese was all screwed up anyway.
Well, that's what they like to do. And it is good.
I'm just trying to think of scenarios.
It's just very, like,
where chicken and
heavy.
cheese, where you would have the interaction. Because the thing is already breaded, so it's already really...
It's very, very heavy.
Almost buttery or oily. And then the cheese, you're adding more fat. Like, I don't know. I guess you could say the same about a burger. But it makes a little more sense to me on a burger in my brain for whatever reason. But it's not even just that, okay? That would be one thing if you had the cheese on the chicken, but then you also have the cheese sticks or whatever they are. What are they? Cheese sticks?
The mozzarella sticks.
You have the mozzarella sticks and then a 16-ounce chocolate shake. Like that's just I don't need. That's just a strange combination of things.
I would like to try that.
Okay, maybe.
It's just so strange that I do want to try it.
Oh, that's a good take.
Yeah.
That's a good take. Like, why get a classic Whopper? Because you know it's going to, even if you don't like the Chase Hudson meal, at least it's a different, okay, I give him points for that. I agree with you for taking a chance on a weird combo.
Yeah.
All right, fine. You just converted me. I agree with you.
Okay, good.
Like, you can get the classic anytime. Why did Nelly call it in on this? I mean, if he likes the classic, let him have the classic. You know what I mean? Like, but it doesn't. Well, it's just not special. You mean you can get it anytime.
Well, he likes to keep it real.
But it just so says it just so happens to say his name on it. But in reality, it's just a Whopper combo, right?
Well, like, so is the Anita one. It's just an Impossible Burger.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. I guess the Sprite is one element of personalization. But you're right, man. Chase Hudson he went for it.
Yeah.
He's like, you're gonna let me customize. I'm going nutty with it.
You give me the opportunity.
All right, man. Well done, Will. Well done.